Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to save Snapchat filters. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the search bar option at the bottom right side of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can see the different filters here. You can just simply search it filter by the filter name, or you can just simply select this filter. I can select this filter because I can save this. After this, you can just simply now tap on favorites at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on it, and now the filter is saved to your favorites. And this is the way you can save Snapchat filters. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Code questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.